Greg, come on. The little girl's showing you up. You gotta do it.
No, I can't do it.
Greg, come on.
I've seen you before.
I'm taking a video of you. You're good.
Right, there you are.
Greg, come on.
Look, there you are. Do I know you? No, but there you are.
Greg, okay, Nicole starts spinning it, slowing down.
I'm gonna throw up on you, Nicole.
Okay. Greg, come on.
Oh, boy. Oh, I'm slipping.
Greg, come on.
Here, I can beat this.
She's showing you, Greg. She's showing you. You just got served, Greg. You got served.
What the hell? It's not the same. Oh, no.
Come on, go faster.
I gotta stand up like that. I can't stand up. I'm serious. Oh, I'm getting sucked in here. Yeah, hurry up.
Dude, I have to pee so bad. Oh my god.
Oh, I agree.
Really, Greg? Uh-oh, it's slowing down.
Oh, man.
Yeah, but you do it in like one, what I could do in like 3 of those.
Well, I'm gonna throw up on you.
Alright.
Me too. Oh.
Greg's not gonna have kids after this.
Oh, I tried. Oh.
It burns. Oh, it's on your skin.
Oh.
Pull your shirt down a little bit.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, this is hurting.
Oh, boy. I know.
I hope you got video of that.
I videotaped the whole thing.
Oh, great.
The whole thing.
That?
No, I'm putting it on my MySpace. That's where it's going.
Put it on mine too.
YouTube it.
It's gonna go under my heroes. This is my... Tyler's little boob one's gonna go on there.
Oh.
It's alright, I do this all the time.
Does this stop spinning or does it keep going?
We don't know yet.
Yeah, keep on doing it. Keep on doing it.
Good job, Nicole.
I don't know how long I can videotape this for. Seriously, guys.
Keep on doing it. Get it, baby.
Okay, I think I got